How about you, sir?
Oh, let's see. What is that chocolate looking thing? Square.
Chocolate mousse, sir.
I'll take it. I'll try that one. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am, for you, ma'am. Make some mousse.
Chocolate mousse, yes. You worked hard making those, didn't you?
Alright, thank you.
A
I'll
scone.
take one, sure. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so we are at tea time right here on the Sky Princess. We got Robin from Sea Lake Journeys.
Tea
And
time.
we got Faye. And let's see what we got on your plate. What does Faye have on her plate?
Now this isn't all for me. I'll share with everybody. I have a tuna fish, a chicken salad, and a ham. You know,
A scone.
a scone, and that's a chocolate mousse thing. Check this.
Chocolate mousse thing. Okay, what have you got?
I have chicken salad and egg salad, but y'all all know I'm gluten free, so I just gonna eat the filling and not the pastry.
Well, I have chocolate mousse, egg salad, tuna salad, and a scone. Now, they also have tea already, but I don't.
How come?
He ran out.
Bring me any yet.
Well, I wasn't waiting for this.
So we're going to wait and see what some reactions are.
Tea, please, sir.
Yes, please.
Just for honey.
Honey, yes. Thank you.
And special sugar.
Splenda. I think Splenda.
Nice Splenda.
Well, equals just as good.
Yeah, good, good. This is
As
special
long as it's
honey.
not pink.
Thank you.
Don't want the pink.
Okay.
The egg salad is very, very good. It's not traditional egg salad. There's carrots in it and red peppers. And let's see about the chicken salad. Chicken salad is very good. I believe that's cranberry in it. And it's either mango or pineapple. It's pineapple. It's very good, very good.
Okay. Okay. So we're going to take a bite of this scone right here. Tastes resembling cornbread with raisins in it. A little dry, but good.
It's a biscuit.
You're supposed to have it with the tea. I learned this on the Caribbean Princess. Get some tea on that scone. That's how you eat it, right there. Let's try out the tuna fish. Now, I'm a tuna fish expert because I eat tuna fish a lot. I used to eat it every day for lunch for like 25 years. That's good tuna fish.
So this was, we came back and it wasn't the ferry, we came back in lifeboats.
Egg
And
salad.
that's the pilot piloting the lifeboat.
Egg salad's next. Let's give this a whirl.
They didn't have berries. Berries were something.
Yeah, sure.
So then we had,
I'm get some jam to go with that scone now.
okay.
It's dry.
Oh, thank you, sir. Appreciate it. The egg salad is really good. Right amount of mayonnaise, mustard, egg. Very good.
Yes, thank you.
These were the employees waiting to get on those ferry
Now we're gonna
back.
try
Yeah, that's a great photo. They just happened to be
chocolate
sitting there like that.
Give this a whirl.
Oh my goodness.
So that's going to be a really good picture for us to put out. They were just sitting there. I was like, oh, this
It's
should be
not overly sweet. It's a little less sweet than what you expect chocolate mousse to be, which makes it quite good, actually. Yeah. So there you go. The tea time stuff is. So the tea, we're going to give this a whirl now. It looks like plain old tea, but it ain't. It's tea time tea here on the Sky Princess. Okay, so they bought me some whipped cream and jam. I put the two together like this. This is how they say to eat it on a scone. We're gonna give it a whirl. That's good. But I still prefer to dip it in the tea myself. So try it both ways. Try it with the jelly and the jam and the other stuff over here, or just try to dip it in your tea like I do. See which one you like the best. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks. Okay, hold on, do it again.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.